In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Whop can't log in. We'll walk through the exact flow, add context around each action, and make sure you understand why each step matters so you can get back into your account smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the official Whop website. Make sure the address bar shows the correct URL to avoid any lookalike pages. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. This is where the login flow begins. You'll see a field to enter your email. Type the email you use for your Whop account carefully, watching for small typos like missing dots or swapped letters. Using the correct email is important because Whop will send a one-time code to that address to verify it's really you. When you're ready, click Continue. Now, open your email inbox in a new tab or window. If you use Gmail, check your main inbox first for the newest message from Whop with a verification code. If it's not there, give it a moment, then look in folders like Spam or Promotions, and consider searching for the word Whop to surface it quickly. Open the message and copy the code exactly as shown, avoiding extra spaces. Go back to your Whop tab and paste the code into the verification field. These codes are time sensitive, so use it promptly to prevent it from expiring. If the code doesn't work, double check that it matches character for character. If you still can't get in, open your browser's menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Then switch to the More or Advanced section, set the time range to all time, and confirm Delete Data. This clears cookies and cached files that can cause login loops or stuck sessions. Be aware this may sign you out of other sites, but it gives you a clean slate for the next attempt. That's the full process. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll resolve most login issues with Whop.